Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to change the backup camera in my 2011 Dodge Ram. So when I bought the truck, the camera never worked. The guy told me that it worked intermittently, which I come to find out was a lie, and I'll show you why the camera wasn't working. The fuse kept blowing instantly. So we're going to do that, and but first, check this out. Oh my god, it's a Peacock. We've got a Peacock here now, and it's free range and great. I'll do a video about that later. We'll go and get this camera started, won't we, Zoe? Alright, let's go change it out. Alright, so we're in the truck. I'm just going to put it in reverse for a second to show you that the camera is not working. And like I said, I'll show you why. No backup camera. Okay, so first things first, we're going to pop out these Torx bolts here to access the camera behind this cover. And we'll do that now. In case you're wondering, these are a T30. Alright, so we got the access to the camera. Now, I've unplugged it just because it constantly pops the fuse. And I'll try and zoom in here first while it's inside the vehicle, but if you can see that, there's a giant hole in the side of the camera and it's all melted. But I'll pull it out and we'll get a better look at that. So the two Torx head bolts that hold the camera in are a little bit tighter of a spot to get to, but not bad. I just use a 1/4 inch ratchet, and it's a T20. Just go in there and crack these babies loose, and then spin them out by hand. Alright, we got our last bolt out here, and we'll take the camera out. Here it is. Old backup camera, and here's the hole. Just blew the guts right out of it. So, I'm sure that's what's wrong. We got our new camera here. I just punched in the part number for it. And actually the best price I found was on eBay. I think I got it for under $100, shipping included, which is great because it's not that cheap at the dealer. Anyhow, we'll go ahead, install it, and see if it works. The old clip from the original camera is left inside, so we'll pop that out. Take our new clip and we'll just put it in this hole, plug in the connector. There's two holes here where this will go into. Hold the wiring in place. Just push in. Alright. Our new camera's installed, so let's hop inside the truck and check it out before we put things back together. Alright, here's a moment of truth. We'll put the truck in reverse, see if the camera works. Oh, we got a backup camera. Now let me close the tailgate and see how it looks. There it is. Backup camera works. That'll sure be handy hooking up to the trailer now. At least a little bit quicker. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. Pretty easy fix for changing the backup camera. Got a good deal on it. Happy with that. We'll just put the cover back on and it'll be good to go. Hope this helps you guys. We'll talk to you later.